Look, just straight up, I'm always going to be very bullish about bigs who can do a little bit of everything, but also have a very clear definition for what they will be at the next level. And that's why I think David Baliraine's a no-brainer, and that's why I fought so hard to get him inside the top five in this edition of the rankings, because I just think that it's he's too good to miss on. Every Division One coach in from whether you're the top of the top to somewhere local, you need to get your eyes on this kid during TABC. And he's going to be one of those that we kind of referenced earlier with a new home. Leaves Hallsville, goes to Dynamic Prep, and we're going to see what that looks like with the talent they have. And if you want to see where he lands inside the top five, check out the newsletter on Friday.